Hi, and welcome to I'm on a Budget Too. I'm Helen, and thank you so very much for stopping back by my channel. As promised, I'm here to document my financial journey as I'm on the road to becoming financially free, learning how to save money, cutting costs, and decreasing my debt in the interim. So if you're interested in those type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. What I plan to do in this video is to walk you through my budgeting system, what I use, the sheets that I use in order to document what goes out and what comes in and how I account for it, so that you'll know exactly where I stand in January as we move forward throughout this year of 2020. So if you're interested in seeing how I actually capture all of my income, all of my bills, all of my debts on my Google Sheets, then stay tuned. In order to capture my sheets, and what holds my sheets is the Happy Planner Happy Notes. This book is what I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it is just all note pages. So what I did was I went in Google Sheets and I actually made my template, and then when I made my template I took the notes here and put it in my printer, and voila, that came out. And so I'm very pleased with how these turned out, and as you can see, I have it for my monthly budget. I also have it for both of my paychecks, and then on the back of there you'll find my sinking funds and my envelope categories. So that's what this system is all about, and it will continue to evolve. This is my monthly budget. Full transparency, these are my real numbers. I didn't fudge them. This is my real income. So when you look at my income, I have two jobs. So this one here, work one, is full-time and I'm salary. This one here, I'm part-time, and for this one it fluctuates. I get paid once a month on this one, and I get paid twice a month on here. So this is the total amount for the entire month of January. I'm looking to bring home $7,782 for the month. I've already received one check, so stay tuned. When I flip this over, you'll be able to see how much it was and how much this one was, and then we'll go from there, breaking down my bills. The next column here I have is bills. I have the date that is due, and then the budgeted amount, and then the actual amount. So I have housing, Edison, gas, cable, water bill, life insurance, car insurance, the big old Uncle Sam, the IRS, Banfield. These two are for my doggies, and then this one here is my cell phone. And so as you can see, these amounts here, it equals up to $3,620. My mouth didn't even want to say that. Yeah, $3,620 just for housing, and of course big old Uncle Sam here, and then my car insurance and stuff of that nature. So these are all the bills that I consider to be fixed and must be paid regardless. My next one here is debt. These are all credit cards and loans. So this is where I captured these. These are the ones that can vary, of course, but the amount stays fixed. But I'm trying to pay these off, and they total up to $570. Entertainment over here is everything like gym, Netflix, Hulu, CBS, Microsoft Word for Apple, and then you have Apple here, which is the cloud stuff, and then Peloton, because I like to use that when I'm working out at the gym also, and that totals $100.90. This one here is my sinking funds category, which we'll talk a lot more about in my next video, where I talk about stuffing my envelopes and my sinking funds category, and stuffing those envelopes as well and reconciling the differences there. So that totals out to $255. My envelopes here, these envelopes total up to be $1,255. These are what has been saving me and helping me to understand how to actually save my money, is using these envelope systems. So I really, really like them. I'm going to continue to use them. So when I go down here and I start totaling things up, so I have total income that I'm budgeting for is $7,782. I got that number from here. My bills, $3,620. Got that one from here. Debt is $507. So these are all the things that I have to pay for like credit cards and loans and stuff of that nature. Entertainment, $100.90. That's just for TV, you guys. And of course, Apple storage, I probably really don't need that. And Peloton, do I really need it? I will be evaluating a whole lot of these things as I move forward. And then my sinking funds categories, I'll go over those in another video as well, but the total there is $255 that you'll see here. My envelopes, again, $1,255 for a grand total that's supposed to be remaining at the end of the month is $1,981.10. We'll see if that really happens. The next thing that you're going to see here is going to be my paycheck to paycheck. Again, I use Google Sheets in order to make these documents, and I'm so proud of myself. I think I did a really good job. What you think? Go ahead and comment down below. What system do you use in order to capture your bills and your financial journey? Are you on one? If not, hopefully I can inspire you to be. Paycheck to paycheck. So this was the first paycheck of January 2020. Of the new decade. This is my paycheck. So work one, the budgeted amount, when I divided the amount that I have over here, which was $59.82, when I divided that, it comes to $29.91. I forgot that I have $125 that goes directly from my check into my credit union. So I added that $125 to this $2,991, and it came to $3,010.97 is what my full check is. So that's what I got for paycheck number one. Paycheck number two, paid once a month. I budgeted for $1,800. It came out to $1,811.47 for a grand total of $48.22.44. So I came out above what I actually budgeted. So that's always a positive, right? Especially starting a new decade. My bills, the bills that I have to pay out of this one are very small bills. So then that's where you'll see me go ahead and pay all the entertainment stuff or calculate for the entertainment items out of this check as well as paying mostly all of the debt down here. The bills totaled $380 is what I budgeted for. It actually came to $328.47. Again, that's under. That's a positive. When you look at my credit card here for the credit union, a loan for the credit union that comes out automatically. And then this one here is a credit card that I have to go on and actually pay. And then these two, even though they're not due until the 27th, I still account for the funds here because I moved them into a different account. The account that's going to be debited on this day so that I don't think I have extra funds and actually spend it. So that amount comes to $400 for budgeted, but I only have to pay $375, and that is because right here, Schools First Credit Union, I paid a large amount in December, so I don't have a payment due in January. So that's why that zeroed that $25 out, and now I only have to pay $375. Next category up here again is going to be entertainment. Like I said, everything entertainment that was on the previous sheet is actually here. It comes out to $100.90. And then all of my sinking funds comes out of this check, and that total, if you remember, $255. And then all of my envelopes also come out of this check, which is $1,255 for a grand total out of all of this and this money that I had brought in and everything being subtracted. I should have $2,508.07 in my account just from these checks alone after this. Now, the interesting thing will come next check when I have to have the larger payments coming out. So like on the next check, remember I have my housing, I have the IRS that's coming for me, I have all of the doggy stuff, all of the larger items. So some of this cash will actually be put in reserve for the items that are coming out of this check. But at the end of the day, when all of these two are said and done, I should have a positive balance of $1,981.10. Okay? that is my system that I'm currently using. It will evolve as I figure out all the other moving parts that I will need. So like I really do need to have a debt tracker so that I can see what I'm paying, what's left over, and what is still remaining. When can I actually snowball it? All of that. I do know I need that. I also need a end of the month budget review sheet, so that I can calculate, okay, this is what it said I was supposed to have, what do I have, and then where did my money go if I don't. So I really need to get intentional and really focus in on all of those. So that is the system that I have in place. Also on the sheet here, I'll give you a sneak peek. That's going to be my sinking funds and my envelopes, and that is what I'm going to do in the next video, so be looking out for that video. But in the meantime, thank you so very much for stopping back by my channel. I really do appreciate you, and don't forget to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.